How to get a 6-digit authentication code on Discord on Android. This tutorial shows you how to verify your email and update it through your account settings. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. From there, swipe right to bring out the side menu. After that, tap your profile banner icon at the bottom of the screen. At this point, tap Settings from the floating navigation bar at the bottom. From here, tap Account. Following this, tap Email to open your email verification settings. After that, tap Send Verification Code, and Discord will send a 6-digit code to your current email address. From here, check your inbox, enter the code in the provided field, and tap Submit to confirm your identity. At this point, you'll be asked to select a reason for changing your email. Tap whichever option applies to you. Following this, enter your new email address in the provided field and tap Save to confirm. Finally, Discord will send a confirmation to your new email address, so make sure to check that inbox as well to complete the update. That's how you get a 6-digit authentication code and update your email on Discord. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!